Does this look refined? Does this look elegant? Is it giving old money? Hey there, my handsome and pretty little cobras, and welcome back to the Cobra's Nest. So today's video is going to be a dedicated video. So if you're not into those, you can go ahead and skip out. I'll see you guys in the next video. But yeah, today is a dedicated video, and I want to give a big thank you to SheSaidYes Jewelry for partnering with me for today's video. They have kindly sent me 3 items to review on the channel, so I'm like super excited to share that with you guys. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's get it, let's go. Woo! So the first thing is a bag with the logo, and I think it's just like absolutely stunning. I love using these type of bags for going to the beach. So yeah, let's unbox it. This is super exciting. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I am so appreciative of these, especially because nothing would be possible without my Cobra babies' continued support. I want to say thank you guys. I know that like this has been a rough transition because I am a minimalist, but I'm also not naive to the fact that like influencing is a short life. Influencers have peaks and then they die. So I'm here to milk every moment of content creation while I can. So I'm like super appreciative that you guys don't mind, and if you do mind, I'm so sorry. Let me have my moment. But this is just so freaking cute. Absolutely love this. Let's put this on. Ah, so cute. I'm definitely going to be using this to go to the beach, pack up my stuff. Absolutely amazing. The quality is great, and the size is really big. Okay, so let's go on to the rings, and I'm super excited because they've actually not sent like 1, but they sent 2, and this is like a couple set for Will and I, and I'm like so appreciative because I've become a fan. I really like their stuff. Let me show you guys how many they've sent me in the past. They've been really generous with me. So when they asked to do like a dedicated video, I was like, yes, I would love to. I really, really, really like their products. I think the gold and the styling and everything is just like chef's kiss. It's just like top tier. Like I have just like nothing but good things to say about their pieces. Like they wear so beautifully. They're so minimalistic, and I just love them a lot. Let's get to the unboxing. So I'm gonna unbox mine first, and when Will is not at work, I will film his part of the unboxing. So when you unbox it, on the inside, it has the care packages, instructions. The inside of the box looks like this. It comes with a little pouch, and then it also comes with the box. So let's go ahead and take that out of the box. And I'll take off my rings for this video. Okay, all right, so the inside of the box, like it's so plush, it's so soft. The box quality is like top tier. I love keeping the boxes and like filling it up with other stuff. So I think this one's mine. Yeah, so a size 6. So they have kindly sent me size 6 in a matching ring style, and Will has the same one. His is in a size 10. On the inside it's engraved. His is engraved with his initials, and mine is engraved with, I think it's just Nat. I like just engraving Nat because, I don't know, I think my initials, it's a little too personal, and I like the Nat. So let me show you guys that. So yeah, they do the engraving. Yeah, it's right there. I know you can't see it, the camera's not gonna show, but it says Nat on the inside, along with the 10 carat. So this one is 10 carat white gold with lab-grown gemstones. So I'm just gonna put that on. This is a size 6 because sometimes I like to put it on my ring finger, which is a size 6, but sometimes I like wearing it on here as a stacker ring, and I like it to be a little bit loose so that I can like stack on with another ring. So I'm gonna show you, I do have a Berks Maison ring that I actually asked for the white gold because I wanted to stack it with my Berks Maison ring just somewhere. So I have a Berks Maison ring that I just like stick in here. This one goes with that, and look at the shine of the white gold. I absolutely love it. It's so stunning. Look at that white gold. I'm not a white gold girly, but this is really cool. Does this look refined? Does this look elegant? Is it giving old money? Absolutely stunning. I'm so happy with it. It looks really good. Let's go on to the segment with Will. All right, time for the unboxing for Will to put on his ring. We're so excited. I'm gonna open it. The same things as regular. Let's take out the ring. Okay. Are you excited?
Super.
He's very excited. He got a size 10. It's also engraved on the inside. So let's open that up. Okay, there you go. Yeah. And on the inside, it also says, it's also engraved
WL.
WL. And we're gonna put that on his finger, or he wants to put it on. And then I'm gonna put mine on so we can match. Okay, and now I have found the ring. So let's put it on. So, ta-da! Very cute.
The right side is awesome.
And then we'll show you guys a close-up. So cute. Okay. All right, so some things that I want to say to you guys. So a little bit of a brief for you guys who were interested. So they've kindly prepared 15% off discount plus gift with a purchase promotion for this Black Friday. The key messages are: invest in a sparkle that lasts a lifetime. She Said Yes Jewelry Black Friday offer. So you can get 15% off for Black Friday. Here's the Black Friday code. Also, there's the code for like the ring itself. Yeah, so sparkle and save. Your holiday reward awaits. Every purchase brings you closer to a luxurious gift. Spend more and be rewarded with even more exquisite choices, from elegant Moissanite jewelry to a preserved flower jewelry box or a chic canvas tote, which is the tote that I just showed you guys. What's more, from November 5th to December 25th, accumulate $3,000 in spending, claim a stunning lab-grown diamond, elevate your style with a brilliant diamond up to 2 carats. So I want to say a big thank you to my Cobra babies. None of this would be possible without your continued support. And I also want to say a big thank you to She Said Yes for kindly partnering with me for today's video. I absolutely love the piece. Thank you so much. And thank you again to my Cobra babies, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.